So here we have the Ford Ecosport Titanium Plus Power Shift, which is the automatic on a 66 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But from the outside you can see that it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. Let's start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. So as we approach the back of the car, you'll see that the tailgate is an out-swinging tailgate on the EcoSport. We have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car now, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls. But now that we've done a full circle of the car, you can see that it's in lovely condition the whole way round, and it looks really good in black as well. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. As you can see, you get half leather seats. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that right now. Now that we're inside the car, we're going to start off with the dials. On the left hand side we have the rev counter, and on the right hand side the speedometer. At the top in the middle you can see the total miles for this car of 13,451, and directly above that it will show you what gear this car is currently in. And if we press the button on the end of the indicator stalk, we get various different pieces of fuel economy information on that main screen as well. Backing out to the steering wheel, on the right hand side we got cruise control, and on the left hand side we have stereo controls as well as voice activation for the phone. So hit that button, ask it to dial in one in your contacts list, and it will do that for you without you having to take your phone from your bag or pocket. That is of course once you've paired the phone, and that is done using the stereo screen over in the center, or the stereo system, and the screen directly in front of it. Before we come back to that, I just wanted to highlight the different types of radio that we have. So this car's got FM radio, AM radio, and then back round to the FM again. You have two different FM frequencies and two different AM frequencies, so that you can save 9 presets per one of those channels. So 18 stations for FM and 18 for AM. In terms of other ways to listen to music, you have a CD player just there, as well as USB input on top of that as well. And you can stream music wirelessly via Bluetooth audio once you've paired up your phone, and you can see that connected to Bluetooth audio written on the screen just now. The main screen, or the main system, is just here. You can see, as I say, the CD player at the top of that, and then the buttons I was pushing a moment ago down on the left hand side here, and that's your main volume control. Below that we have climate control, so you can adjust the fan speed on the left, temperature on the right. Once you're happy with the fan speed and temperature, press that button to turn the air conditioning on. It's on at the moment, or hit auto, and the car will maintain 19.5 degrees by taking control of the fan speed itself. You can override that as you wish. And then these buttons just around the center here will determine where within the car the air is set to blow. You then have the fully automatic gearbox, 12-volt charging socket, and then the auxiliary and USB inputs that I mentioned previously. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.